Here are some amazing facts about the Sika deer. Scientific name: the Sika deer's scientific name is Cervus nippon. Native habitat: native to East Asia, including Japan, Korea, China, and Taiwan. Adaptability: Sika deer are highly adaptable and can live in a range of habitats, from forests to grasslands. Introduction elsewhere: they have been introduced to countries like New Zealand, the UK, and Ireland. Size: adult male stags typically weigh between 45 to 110 kilograms, 100 to 240 pounds, while females' hinds are smaller, weighing 30 to 55 kilograms, 66 to 121 pounds. Distinctive markings: Sika deer have a distinctive coat pattern that changes with the seasons. Their summer coat is reddish with white spots, and their winter coat is more grayish-brown. Mating season: the mating season, or rut, occurs in autumn, typically from September to November. Antlers: male Sika deer grow antlers that can reach up to 80 centimeters, 31 inches in length. Antler growth: antlers are usually shed and regrown each year, following a typical growth pattern similar to other cervids. Behavior: Sika deer are known for their ability to produce a wide range of vocalizations, including whistles, barks, and grunts. Diet: they are herbivores, feeding on a variety of vegetation including leaves, grass, acorns, and shrubs. Social structure: they typically form small herds, with females and their young forming the core groups, and males joining during the rut. Lifespan: Sika deer can live for up to 20 years in the wild, but most live to about 10 to 12 years. Speed: they can run at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers h when threatened. Swimming ability: Sika deer are excellent swimmers and can often be found crossing rivers or lakes. Vocalizations: the stags are known for their high-pitched whistle, especially during the rut, which can be heard over long distances. Camouflage: their spotted coat helps them blend in with the forest floor, providing effective camouflage from predators. Predators: in their native habitats, Sika deer are preyed upon by tigers, wolves, and large birds of prey, though they are highly alert and can escape quickly. Bark: when startled, they may bark like a dog as a warning signal. Group behavior: Sika deer are often seen in herds, but males typically roam alone except during mating seasons. Subspecies: there are several subspecies of Sika deer, including the Japanese Sika, the Manchurian Sika, and the Formosan Sika. Deer of Japan: in Japan, they are considered culturally significant and are often associated with the Shinto religion, especially in Nara, where they roam freely. Dietary flexibility: Sika deer can adapt their diet depending on the season, consuming more woody plants and shrubs in winter when grasses are scarce. Gestation period: the gestation period for a female Sika deer is about 230 days, 7 to 8 months. Fawns: Sika fawns are born with a spotted coat, which helps them blend in with their environment to avoid predators. Hoofed mammal: like all deer, Sika deer are hoofed mammals, with cloven hoofs designed for efficient movement through forests and across rocky terrain. Excellent hearing: their large ears help them detect sounds from a long distance, giving them an advantage when avoiding predators. Smell: Sika deer also have an excellent sense of smell, which they use to detect danger or locate food. Running technique: unlike many other deer, Sika deer tend to leap in a series of small, quick bounds when running. Active at dusk: Sika deer are mostly crepuscular, being most active at dawn and dusk. Conservation status: the IUCN lists Sika deer as a species of least concern, though local populations may be threatened by habitat loss or hunting. Dietary impact: in some areas where they have been introduced, such as New Zealand, Sika deer have caused significant damage to native plant species. Fencing issues. Sika deer are known to jump over fences as high as 2 meters (6.5 feet), making them difficult to keep contained in certain areas. Mimicking sounds. Sika deer are able to mimic the calls of other animals, including predators, to confuse potential threats. Invasive species. In some parts of Europe, where Sika deer were introduced for hunting, they have become invasive, outcompeting native species like roe deer. Predator evasion. They are particularly good at evading predators due to their agility and ability to stay still when danger is near. Seasonal movements. Sika deer may migrate or move to lower altitudes during winter in search of food. Aggressive males. During the rut, male Sika deer become more aggressive, fighting other males for access to females. Antler structure. Unlike many other deer species, Sika deer antlers have multiple tines and may have a distinct shape depending on the subspecies. Historic role. In ancient times, the Japanese Sika deer were domesticated to some extent by humans, used for ceremonial purposes. Domestication. While not fully domesticated, Sika deer have been farmed in some areas for their meat and antlers.